what is going on with Israel and US attacking Iran, and with Iran retaliating to hit the UAE, and the graphic images and the videos which we are seeing of attacks by Iranian drones on Dubai is highly disturbing. I am praying that all our Goans and our Indian brothers and sisters remain safe, and may God protect all of them. Our people are innocent, they have done nothing wrong, and they should not be harmed. I've seen a Twitter message of the UAE government appealing to the residents not to follow or read any messages which are not authentic, which do not come from the official sources, and they have appealed not to rely on any rumors. So it is also my appeal, please do not panic unnecessarily, because this can lead you into multiple complications and perhaps in the wrong path. Avoid going out and make sure you all are in safe zones, and definitely we will be praying for you so that all of you are well and this crisis blows over soon. Even though you all are far away, miles away from home, we think of you and our heart beats for each and every one of you. God bless you all.